Good morning and welcome to Wednesday. It's been long since I vlogged, but today I felt very nice to vlog. So Maya is asleep. She's at sea. Ay, yawa. So she's asleep. In here we've been talking about sleep training and all that, and the last time I vlogged, I think is when I was showing you the baby bumper. First of all, caution and warning. So there are research that shows baby bumpers, they can cause what are they called, infant death. So one of the things that I did in order to prevent that, I made sure that the baby bumper had enough straps to hold on to the baby crib, and I tucked it in between the crib and the mattress. I really did that because where I am happy today because it's a good day to be happy. It's so bright and the birds are chirping, or are they screaming? You can hear them screaming outside there. So I'm really trying to see what I can do when Maya is asleep. First of all, I have a load of her clothes to fold. Let me just point it out. I hate washing clothes, but I like folding clothes. Yeah, so I'm just going to fold clothes. I need to take a shower. I need to take care of this hair. After I went to the gyna, I told you whatever was happening, and the spotting stopped, but now I'm cramping like hell. How did I end up here? How? Eh? Where? Where? You remember this short? And these days she's rocking the shorts na tights. You know, na tights ni mingi because the whole of this week ilikuwa ya shorts. The whole of last week, ilikuwa ya shorts. This week ni trousers. By the way, that's how I alternate to make sure anavaa nguo zake zote. So for this project, I wanted to do something like a patchwork, a pair of short, or a mix and match. It's something that I've been wanting to make for such a long time, and I did not have like the right material or the fabrics. But lucky enough, I had that pink mattress cover that I used to make the baby bumper. So I decided to use it, and also I had another scrap piece, a white flowery piece. So it was so perfect joining the two of them. And for the measurement, I just measured my own body, the waist, the hips, the length, and the thigh. It is so easy to cut the fabric when you have the right pattern, because I don't like to make the measurement directly on the fabric, because sometimes you might make a mistake, or you might oversize or undersize, and you're just going to waste your fabric. So for me, I make the pattern and then I trace it on the fabric, because sometimes I don't like pinning it on the fabric. So I just trace and I cut as I'm doing now. So for this white fabric, I used it to make the waistband, the pocket, and also the turn up at the hem of the shorts. So this project was not that hard for me to do, because I really knew what I wanted and how I wanted it to look. And for the pocket, I wanted them to be on the sides, not on the front or back. So, and I wanted two pockets for it to have that mix and match kind of vibe. So I had a small pink pocket and a this white fabric. So to begin with, I first had to sew the small pocket onto the big white pocket, and then I attach it onto the short. And sewing the short, I first had to do the side seam, because that's where the pocket were going to fit. And after doing the side seam, and then I attach now the big pocket and the cover up. You're gonna see, like, I did like a cover. Is it a cover top? Let's call it a cover top on it. Pressing or ironing makes the pieces to lay flat and makes it so easy to sew, because you don't have like to force the material to lay down on the fabric. Yeah, when you hear me talking about material, is the fabric. That's the name that I'm used to, but it's fabric. Yeah, so it helps the fabric to lay flat and makes sewing very easy. It's now 6 p.m. and of course now I have to start cooking. Yeah, so that's all for today. I don't know, but I'm really loving this. I never knew that it could come out this good. Oh my god, yeah, so it's so I'm lost of words. Look at that. Like, seriously? This is so good. Now I do have like a concern. I don't know if this material is going to be a see-through. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think it's going to be see-through. Let me like do a little test. Let's see if you're gonna see the, oh my god, it's gonna be see-through. I don't know if you can see the white ribbon. I don't know if you can see it. Oh my god. And the way I loved it. Anyway, I'm still gonna finish it. I'll be wearing at home, but I really wanted to go outside with it. But it's turning out to be something else, but I really love this. So here I was really trying out the pair of shorts, and they were perfectly fitting. And behold, they were seeing me through. That's why you can see me like holding this top dress down, because I had like a pink under. You can see the pink underwear there. So like you could see like how it was. I had not installed the waistband that you can see. So I was just trying to see how it fits, and then I add the waistband. And guys, tell me you don't love this pair of shorts already. It is so fitting. You can also see I also like considered my capoch. Of course, I had to give you a little dance there. Yeah, it is so comfy. It is the perfect length. Though when I make the next one, I think I will like shorten the length. It's a bit. That's it's no it's okay for now, because this is going to be an indoor show because of the see-through thingy. No. You're not gonna go outside and embarrass ourselves. So, guys, that is the project of today. And until next time, kwaheri.